Good morning. My name is Patrick Brown. I'll be discussing Disney's integration and implementation of information technology into their company's operations. As you've previously seen, Disney has utilized information technology to provide a world-class experience to their fans and their guests, and you see that readily on the internet and being at the parks. But what you don't see is what goes into that, what makes Disney really click. And so we see that Disney has leveraged information technology to make itself the largest multimedia company in the world. And IT acts as that force multiplier that allows them to maintain their corporate core citizenship principles and do it at a reduced cost while still meeting their profits that they need for their shareholders on Wall Street. Two very important points. So the first way that they've done this is through the use of 4D modeling technology. The Disney Imagineering team, during the design and planning stages for the California Adventure theme park, which is one of the newest additions to Disneyland, for the Paradise Pier section of the park, which was a very constrained area. It required very precise time, schedule, and performance to get the project online and operating effectively. So utilizing 4D technology, they were able to reduce their design errors and reduce their rework by estimates up to in the 40 to 90% range. That's a significant streamlining of the traditional project management approach, which takes in multiple different disciplines: your system engineers, your mechanical, electrical engineers, your project managers, your schedulers, who all work on a lot of different information technology systems. A lot of them will simply use various enterprise software, but a lot of them just use Microsoft Project and different Microsoft Office tools. But the integration of that information is hard to accomplish. Now, Disney, through the use of 4D modeling technology, and you'll see a video on this, was able to bring that all together. It was able to show the spatial and the time all synced into one complete model. So as you went from start to finish, you could see the project take shape at any point in the construction phase. So moving from there, they implemented a concept specifically in Walt Disney World, but that they've used in all their other parks, a concept called environmentality. Their word. It's the implementation of their energy management program, which, since they started in 1996, resulted in a 53% return on investment and resulted in annual metered reductions of 100 million kilowatts of electricity and 1 million therms of natural gas. Now that's an annual reduction to operate parks across the globe that require a lot of different systems to operate: compressed air to operate the rides, then the control systems, and then maintaining, if you've walked around the parks, they have climate control built into the park itself, where you walk around and you'll feel it's a cool environment. Even though it could be a 90 degree day down in Florida, it's still temperature controlled for guests' comfortability. So they've implemented a couple systems in their energy management system, which is a suite of different programs that control how they manage energy in all their different facilities. Almost every individual facility has its own EMS system, and they've got one vendor that controls approximately 80% of that, and they upgraded that to a centralized server architecture that has a Ethernet backbone. And riding on that, it allows them to perform control and monitoring from anywhere in their parks. Any laptop or desktop that has access has the ability to drill down and do fine-point control and see how that facility is operating. So they've got a couple ancillary programs that are built onto that EMS. One's the facility time schedule. Anybody who's got their own thermostat, you can automatically program it, set it. That's what the facility time schedule does. It allows them to set and reset that schedule at any time. And the building tune-up system is additional to that. It allows them to see at any point in time it stores their set points, enables them to go back and reset that at any time of the day. One problem they constantly had was throughout the day there would be manual changes to the climate control at a different facility. These systems enable that to be automatically reset without any human interference. So it enables them to achieve those efficiencies through the use of information technology.